Can't really tell, but I'll be changing out this just, I think, incandescent, you know, just regular ass bulb, license plate bulb for the Jeep Wrangler with a $6.88 Sylvania LED one from Walmart. Part number, or bulb number 194. All right, to get this bulb, to get this housing out, you push in these two black tabs, like so. Pulls down. Look at that. Beautiful. And shimmy her out of there. Okay, I'll come back and when it's detached. Okay, so the bulb just twists out of here, out of the lens, I guess you could say. All right, I have the new LED in there, and when you put it in, turn on your parking lights to make sure you put it in the right way, because if it's not the right way, it won't work. But yeah, so there you go. Go ahead and put this back on. Let's see if I can. I'm not gonna be able to do that one-handed, but you just put this in, twist it, and then push it back up. Okay, got it twisted back on there. So I'll go ahead and put the back in first, and here it clip in like that. There you go. There you have it. LED license plate bulb. Can't really tell right now, but at nighttime it'll be nice and bright. All right, there you go. Nothing too fancy. Just a nice blue light now, and not the halogen style bulb. So looks clean.